Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Crime Watch, where we cover crimes, solved and unsolved. Today we are gonna talk about a recent case that has placed the entertainment industry in the spotlight again for their dirty secrets and practices. This is the case of how late international pop star, Coco Lee, was humiliated and bullied on stage when she was a judge at The Voice of China back in October 2022. This case did not bring about much attention until her recent passing in July 2023, which her sister later revealed that Coco had been dealing with depression for a period of time. Many of her fans were angered and think that this case attributed to her depression worsening. It all started when Coco's mentee was eliminated during the knockout rounds, but despite getting 88.3 points, he was not given a second chance to compete in the last qualifying round due to the unfair rules set out by the directors of the show, but other contestants who got as low as 73 points were able to compete again. Coco felt that this was really unfair and hence spoke out the truth. Below were footages leaked that showed the clash between Coco and the directors.
就是因为我们人少，就没有这个第5个机会，就是因为我们人少。
所以你们中国好声音是选人多人少的，不是？
对，是凭人多，是凭人多就会有第2次机会。
唱歌的，
不是选
人数多，
不是选唱，对，原来如此。他88那个哈，88.3，你们最低分的是73，那个人可以再比一次。我的88.3的不可以。你找一个人来解释给我听这个游戏规则。谢谢。
各位老师，我们现场还有别的录制，然后我们现场这些老师。可以了。来，导播老师，我们后面准备拍摄风景。
但是你们也做了，你们往这边走。我们是不是不要放这个东西
Let me please let me。
就是想让这些人帮他需要说，我们这个是不能放在不行。
当然你们会所有都剪掉，当然你们什么都会剪掉了。我说的是事实，你们当然都会剪掉，我当然知道，这个叫做不公平。
走了，
姐走了，走。不要碰我，不要碰我，别人都不要碰我。现在就是，你等等，好，大家都让我冷静，好不好？刚刚把我的学员要赶走，为什么？After
Coco's passing in July 2023, more audio messages were leaked. One of those was how Coco herself described the unfair treatment that she had received during the show just because she said the truth, and how her leg injury was so serious that she was in severe pain. But despite explaining to the directors, she was still subjected to humiliation on stage because they changed the standings at the last minute, and she was unable to hold on to her mentee as agreed previously. The disappointment, anger and despair can be heard in the following audio message. We hope that Coco would rest peacefully and justice would be served to the people that mistreated her despite her kind heart.